All right, welcome to Bitty Bats. This is the final week, week 13. We have the playoffs starting next week. So this is how it's going to break down, or this is how it has broken down thus far. Wildcard games, you had San Francisco taking on St. Louis head-to-head. Actually, not head-to-head, my bad. San Diego and Detroit taking on each other. So all these games are actually fantasy games. It just worked out that way. Nobody actually had a head-to-head game. Then you had the Eastern Divisional Championship between Pittsburgh versus LA. And you had the, actually that's the North Divisional Championship, my bad. And then you have the Eastern Divisional Championship between the Yankees and Boston. So, yesterday's action, you had San Francisco losing their game to Colorado 7-5. They lost by 2. Their opponent, St. Louis, lost to Baltimore 8-5. St. Louis lost by 3. So, San Francisco wins the wild card, and St. Louis has to sit there and see if their record's good enough to make the top 4 in their conference. San Diego and Detroit. Those games are happening tonight. San Diego's playing Chicago right now, the Cubs, and Detroit's playing the Mariners. So then you had Pittsburgh in their game yesterday losing to the Cubs 7-1. So that means that the Dodgers will share a division championship with Pittsburgh if they can actually win tonight. At first, I was going to let the Dodgers just walk away with the division championship, but since they have the same record as Pittsburgh, if they won, they'll be 7-6. I decided to go ahead and let them share that divisional championship. However, I will give them the higher seed. So basically, since Pittsburgh lost by 6 points, the Dodgers they need to win their game, and they'll have the higher seed in the West, in the North. Then you have the Yankees and Boston. The Yankees played yesterday. They lost to Oakland 4-3, and so they lost by 1. So Boston's playing Kansas City tonight. All Boston has to do is win, and they win the East. So if Boston beats KC, they're good. Now, if Boston loses by 2 or more points, the Yankees win the East. So that's how that works. Good luck to everybody. Atlanta and the Angels, they had the week off. They've already clinched. Atlanta won the South, and LA Angels won the West. I'll get back with you later tonight and let you know who plays who in the playoffs. All right, enjoy.